Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how do we restore the pictures on iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just open the photos. Okay, you can choose the picture or the photos that you want to delete first. Okay, so for example, let's delete several photos here. Okay, I want to delete 9 photos, and to delete in these photos we just need to click this trash bin symbols and go confirm to delete the 9 photos. Okay, so actually for after deleting the photos, we still can make it back into our device. Here we just need to go back by click the album twice, and after that we just need to scroll down until we found a recently deleted. You just need to click it, and the phone will be ask you for an access of your face or a passcode of your phone. And after that we just need to select which photos that we want to restore into the device back. Okay, there's 9 photos, and after that you just need to click recover, and now you just need to confirm recover the 9 photos. And to check it, if the photos is already back into our device, is just go back into the album, go back into the recents, and you can see here the 9 photos is already back into your device. That's all the way how to restore your photos on an iPhone. If you find out this tutorial is quite useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.